Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity to do some beginner-friendly designs. For two of the three designs, all we're going to do is flood the base layer white and then immediately use sprinkles to add the color. So what I'm doing here is just flooding this square white, and then right after, while the icing is still wet, I'm going in with my St. Patrick's sprinkles and adding that to half of the cookie. You can of course add it all over if you want. I think it's kind of cool on a square to kind of do a diagonal design where half of it's covered and half of it isn't, but do whatever you want on that. I decided to add some gold splatter on a couple of these cookies. I left a couple of them just white with the sprinkles, but I thought the gold was kind of a fun touch. So if you have this, I have a video on how to mix up the gold, but basically I use Everclear and I just use a little dropper that I got off Amazon and add it to my gold dust until it's pretty runny. And then I just flick it onto the cookie from the paintbrush. The most annoying part about doing a rainbow cookie design is having to mix up all of those colors. So with this set, I'm trying to keep it really simple. So I decided to use sanding sugar instead of having to mix up all of those icing colors. You can see here I have a giant tub of a multicolored sanding sugar. I got this at Hobby Lobby, I don't know, a few months ago. And it's just perfect. So you just flood the base white and then you go in and just sprinkle on top right after you flood so the icing is really wet, and you just add all of the colors to make your rainbow design. Next up is the marble design, and so what I'm doing here is I've put about 10-second consistency in a bowl. You can see it's just white, and then I'm going to add the colors on top of the white. What I'm doing here is popping all of the bubbles because you want to get rid of as many bubbles as possible, otherwise it can be kind of a pain to pop those once the icing is on your cookie. So I just am running the spoon through the icing. Once I feel pretty good about that, I take the colored icing, and this is the same consistency. It's all about 10-second consistency. And I'm just adding the colors to the white. It depends on the type of colors that you're using. With green and orange, it can quickly turn into brown. So I'm not marbling it together very much with the toothpick, just enough to kind of swirl it barely, because I don't want the icing to turn brown. Then you just dip your cookie in the icing, hold it for a few seconds and let the excess drip off, and then flip it over and then adjust accordingly. So I'll take my scribe tool and just kind of clean it up a little bit. There's always a couple of air bubbles that get in there, and I just pop them right away, and then that is it. My goal with this set was to have really pretty, fun, colorful cookies, but to have them done in a way where if you're just starting out, you feel like you can do this. They're not that complicated, but I think they turned out so cute, and I think they would wow anyone you gave them to. So if you have not decorated cookies before, if you're wanting to give it a try, I think this is a great time to do it. And if you have any videos you want to see from me, leave them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. And otherwise, I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.